Okay, appliance professionals is at an Airbnb. Customer complaint is that the Samsung double oven, bottom oven, is not heating properly. So we're going to check this out and try to take care of this customer and get him back to making his Airbnb money. Yep, so working on a Samsung double oven for an Airbnb. And so the problem we have is that the bottom oven is not heating properly. So I was able to verify that the bottom heating element and top heating element have the correct resistance and continuity. And so now I need to back up to the board to see which relay may be the issue. So that's what I'm doing today.